Hello gang, we're live. Give me a minute here. Send out an announcement. There you go. Got our announcement. Now, I need to figure out what I'm doing today. I did some cool stuff yesterday that I can show off here. If it'll load, which it might not. Did I break it? No? Maybe? There it goes. Okay. So, I drew this giant bell, which looks cool. It doesn't do anything yet, but that'll probably show up in like some special rooms. And then we now have a train. And it plays sounds too. So use that to like teleport around and stuff. Hello Axel, how are you doing? Did you see the train? The beautiful train? I think it's the mod pack's fault. I downloaded a car and it still won't work. Weird. I don't know. Maybe you broke something. That was loud. I'm trying to think. I don't know why it wouldn't be working, but whatever. Hope you figure that out. I don't know what else. I need to figure out what I want to put in the hub area, like decorative wise. Because it needs more stuff, but I genuinely have no clue what it needs. Because I'm kind of dumb. Well, obviously that bell isn't gonna be there. I'll go and kill that. That's just there for testing, although it looks cool. Maybe some like banners or something hanging from the pillars here. And then, I'm thinking. I'm not sure. I want something where you can like change your skin, but I don't know what I want that to be. What could it be? Okay, well, we'll start with like some banners, maybe. Try that. I don't know how this tool works, I'm not gonna lie. No, not like that. Let's use a circle instead. That'll give us a nice arc. Beautiful. I actually don't like that either, but I'm so bad at art. Maybe like this. Nah, I don't like that. An idea. Let me cook here. There we go. I think that works. I do like banners or like lights or I'm thinking. I wonder if I could just use the banners that we already have in here. I have some in here somewhere. They're not in here. I'm sure I have them somewhere. I can easily get. What is it called? It's the tile map. Here? No. Here? Nope. Ah, here we go. Okay, that should work now. You're gonna be off. Hold up.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How's it going, Gigathy?
Good.
Hey, give me a second, I gotta set up everything. Are you alive and well right now?
Yeah, mostly.
Okay. I meant more like, are you live on Twitch?
Oh,
Or
okay.
Is your stream live yet?
Yeah, that too.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out
Yeah,
what to
no, I
put in the
couldn't care
hub
less
area
about your
to make
state
it
of-
look nicer.
What'd you say?
I'm trying to figure out what to add to the hub area to make it nicer. It's kind of bland. I also need to figure out where what I wanted to use for like where you change skins and then some of the other like shops and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Because right now there's like not any of this. Okay, that looks bad.
Wow.
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 Sorry, I accidentally hit the Moaz motif.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna do something or stream that you're gonna think is evil, but I think is necessary for
What
my
are you,
life.
What are you doing? That's evil.
I have to go to see if the Dwarf Fortress soundtrack is on.
You're
this
evil.
website. It
You're
is.
so evil.
Hooray! I also want to buy it on Steam later.
But you don't have Dwarf Fortress on Steam.
No, the soundtrack.
That's a little insane that you don't own like your favorite game of all time.
Ooh, incorrect. Not my favorite game.
It is literally your favorite game of all time.
It isn't. My favorite game is Caves of Cud.
Hello, Alcor. Why is it translating Nyanya to Nyanya with no change whatsoever?
Just in case you can't
Just in case.
read it in the first language. What? Like, are you
Mhm.
stupid or dumb? Which one is it?
Hey, bro. What color should this be? Yeah, I'm dying.
Okay, nice. Yeah. That's what I was
Okay,
just thinking.
I haven't had my Dr. Pepper yet. Nya in English is
Mhm.
simply Nya. This is true? Really? That's a little crazy.
Right. You should share your screen whenever you get the chance.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm supposed to do that.
Yeah.
You get the stream together set up as well.
Nope. But you know how to do it now, right?
No, I don't actually.
What the flip?
What the 6-7?
Oh, dude, I get it. No, that's hilarious. That's actually really funny.
It is pretty
Fuck.
funny. You're right.
What else do I need to open before I can open up my OBS? I thought I told VitoTube to open it, but apparently I didn't. Whatever, I guess.
Whatever. I guess.
It's not like I want you to open anyways.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm streaming my screen now.
That's a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yippee.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, what else do I need to open? I have social stream, I have VitoTube, I have your screen share. I think I'm good to open OBS Studio now.
Whoa, that's a little crazy.
Let's fucking go, and it didn't ask me to open up shit. Terrific.
You know what I'm saying?
No, I don't actually. What are you saying?
Oh.
Why are you
okay.
saying? Oh, I need to open up the stream together.
Stream together. Where is this? I don't see it.
I haven't invited you yet.
Okay. Oh, I need to
I
put your
didn't
YouTube
say-
chat as well.
Wait, what the fuck? It's...
Hmm?
What the hell? Why are you not showing up in my stream together anymore?
I don't know. Didn't we run into this last
weird.
time?
Yeah, I just invited you, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Looks like.
I don't know why.
I don't know what you did. You're a
It
little
literally was
evil.
doing that on yours as well. You had to go into like one of the specific tabs to find it.
Maybe. I don't know. I think it just hates us. Maybe it's like these guys should never stream together again.
Honestly, maybe they're cooking with that one a little bit.
They might.
I
They
won't
might
lie
be
to you.
cooking with that one.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go live. I think.
Okay. Can you turn on shared
let me
chat?
make sure.
You're not even live yet. It's like a little insane. I'm not gonna lie.
Yep, brother. I despise this motherfucker. Actually, you know what? I'm not going live yet. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna eat a fucking granola bar first.
Okay. This guy hates me. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
One thing I want to figure out soon, within like the next couple days, hopefully, is transitions between different levels.
Mm-hmm.
So like from the hub area to starting, and then from level to level. For the start, obviously be the train. I think for the other ones, I was thinking maybe doing like a big giant elevator, because elevators are cool. I'm a big fan of elevators.
Sorry, I'm finishing up my
You're
bar.
like, you're weird.
Sorry for eating.
Yeah,
My fault.
you should not be allowed to eat granola bars, I'm not gonna lie. Hello,
Okay,
Foul Mill.
alright,
How are you
going
doing?
live.
That Foul
Your
Mill.
stream, turn on stream, turn on stream.
Mill. I don't know how you pronounce
Mill.
that. I can't pronounce things. Don't worry about it.
I am. Oh, must be live and register sharing chat. There we go. Okay. So, I have a couple things I want to show you.
Mhm.
So I guess I only have one thing I want to show you actually, which is
You said a couple things. Are you lying?
a little bit. Yeah,
That's crazy. This guy loves lying.
it's not that crazy to be honest with you.
Yeah, it's like understandable, you know.
So, actually, let me console.rooms selection.
These little banners actually look kind of nice.
So the first thing is, if you remember, I was working on the new book with page
Mhm.
turning
Yeah.
and shit. So here we are. I will warn you right now, it doesn't work perfectly, but once I flip through it a few times, it'll kind of everything gets figured out. So
Mhm.
I'm on. So this is the first page, and then
Mhm.
second page, third page, fourth page, and then if I go to turn the page again, it will flip all the way back to the beginning. And then if I hit go back, it flips all the way to the end.
Okay.
Um, there's a couple of weird things with it. Mainly, this button is always in front of the pages,
Mhm.
and also the weirdness that you saw whenever I opened up the book the first time.
I didn't
Also,
see.
there is.
I couldn't tell what was going on, but sure.
It's fine. Yeah, don't worry about
Also,
it.
do you want to have it show the individual when it turns? All the pages are blank, which looks kind of weird. But do you want to have it fill in the pages with what's in between? Because like it's like the deck items and collection or something like that. Would you want the middle
Hey,
one to
chat.
be?
You guys think Dante's 9 could like if the programmer just like mysteriously disappeared, do you think the game could still be finished, or do you think that's not a thing? I'm just curious.
I mean, it's not, you just turn the page twice. It's not that hard.
No, it's not that hard. I definitely haven't spent the last like 3 days working to get this working, and it's still broken. Even just with the blank pages, I can try.
It's fine if you can't.
But
I
yeah, I'm
just
putting
have
this.
that as like a secondary thing. There's more important stuff
Yeah.
to do than make the page turning
Yeah,
perfect.
I mean, like you can see, it just fucking crashed. So,
Yeah.
um,
So, yeah.
yeah.
Weird,
So I'm putting this on hold right now, but it's proof of concept is there. It works somewhat. So I'm actually gonna do some game dev stuff today because I am tired of working on UI. I've been working on UI for the past like month. So,
this is true.
let's do.
You want to help with the choo-choo train?
I can. Have you pushed your stuff up?
I haven't pushed anything up in like forever. we need to
Yeah.
combine all our stuff. I can go and do that though if you want. And
I also want to fix. I want to fix crits because crits are broken right now.
are they?
Yep, because they stack.
Oh yeah, right.
I'm also gonna get rid of this. And
I love the
bring this
train.
back. I wonder if this just works, actually. I have no fucking clue if this would just work the way it originally was.
Okay, well, I guess I'll go and just push my changes. Let's see, how many do I have? Only 250.
You don't have the binder with the settings menu on it, do you?
No, I have the binder with
Or do you...
nothing, with cards and nothing else.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Binder, I believe it's binder.show is what this used to be.
Although I think
Hello,
most of these
what's up?
changes are actually audio files from Kenny UI pack.
Whoa.
Yeah, a lot of them are.
Fire. Ow, Linux. Yeah, it happens. Are you saying ow is a good thing or a bad thing? Because I actually can't tell.
Let's call this train and stuff. Here
Where
you
the
go.
fuck is my page? Wait, what happened to my fucking page? Me when I'm playing Deadlock and I can't find my lane partner. Wait, why?
Oh, hold up.
Inventory, binder, tabs,
I
selection.
forgot I still have the trailer and stuff in here. I might just remove those, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I think that's worth doing, to be honest. Where the fuck are these? So this works, but the heck? Where the fuck is this left page and why can't I see it? Local binder tab. No.
Okay, I'm pushing all my changes. Good luck.
Alright, thanks. Oh, you know what? It might be...
Hello, Cosmic Sandwich Cat.
Where the hell? Oh lord, I'm losing my mind over here. Card info panel's working fine. This isn't, though?
I'm gonna put you on
Why?
screen for a minute while I scroll Pinterest trying to figure out what the next thing I draw is.
All right, good luck. I'm not doing anything particularly interesting, so.
Well, I'm not doing anything interesting at all, so that's okay. We can just like talk and be like entertaining, you know?
Hmm.
I don't know, what does Northern Lion usually talk about?
Um. Uh. I don't know actually. Okay, which tab do I have open? Okay, I'm here. If I'm here, why are we hidden? Oh, wait, do you have a fucked up Z index? You might, actually. Yeah, okay, there's something that's being rendered on top of it, and I don't 100% know why. So if I click here, what are we hitting? Debugger, MISC. I'm hitting nothing. There's nothing there. Rusty pistol description too. Soul dispenser description. Okay, so I am selecting the cards. I'm just not seeing them. What a busy scene tree. Well, yeah, because I'm debugging it from the remote tab, so it looks very busy because it actually shows all of the hidden elements that are normally obfuscated in Godot. Because usually it just looks like this, which is, I mean, this is just UI layout, unfortunately, but for the most part, it's usually pretty straightforward. Why the fuck are you? Did I miss something? Did I remove something? I don't know. I don't know how to fix this, and I don't care to. Did you push up your changes? Did you say?
Yep.
Okay.
Good luck.
Yep. Let's see if I can pull these changes. So,
My changes, twin.
Also, sorry. Hello, Cosmic. Hello, just a Zach. And also, hello, Jerry Yoshikage. And of course, that motherfucker that keeps saying that I'm a furry streamer, which doesn't make any sense because I'm not.
I didn't see Jerry's message because apparently YouTube doesn't like it when people say balls.
It's kind of funny. All right, what needs to be changed in mine? So, room 1 was changed apparently, and hub room was changed. Project Godot was changed, and damage number was changed. What did you change in damage number?
I don't know. Oh, I think the scaling. Because they would get really, really big.
I see. Actually, let me just revert my fucking. I don't care what happened in room 1. I have no force in
Maybe
this
where you
battle or whatever
changed
the hell
the
it's called.
skin for Dante should be like a little cat bed.
Yeah, that was the thing that I had said. Like a little cat
What
bed
was
that
it?
he like steps into. That's
Okay.
what I said, at least.
Yeah, I couldn't remember. I remember someone said that, but I don't remember who it was.
Why did I run the game? Oh my god, I'm like losing my mind out here.
Yeah, that's okay.
I also need to revert. So Project Godot, I can probably revert. I don't know what you would have changed in here though. The only thing that I changed. Oh.
I don't know.
This?
Oh, another thing that Tone suggested that we should totally put in the hub area if we have the ability or time is like a little yarn ball that when you hit it around, it like unrolls. I don't know
Write
if you
that
were
shit
there.
down. I was. Write it
Okay.
down.
No, I'm not writing it down.
Damage
I'm just
number.
gonna remember it.
GD. What did I change in here?
If we can't remember it, it doesn't deserve to get added to the game, you know?
Oh yeah, I remember. I made this code a little bit cleaner. I'm just gonna revert it because I can do that again in like 2 seconds whenever I feel like it. So what is this push and pull code technique? What do you mean? I'm pulling changes in Git.
Pull my changes, twin.
Pull my changes. Also, I do read your name like that, Jerry. You are correct. There's a reason for that.
What?
Also, what's wrong, Jerry? What the hell? You're not sending the cat emoji at the end of each of your messages like you normally
Yeah,
do.
that's is everything
Oh
okay?
shit! I forgot about this menu. Did you change the default sound?
Hmm?
Oh my god, it's
Yes.
back to doing the fucking thing. Hold on, let me make this out of full screen. I was hoping that I fixed the window flickering thing, but I didn't.
No rip.
So I turned down my music just a little bit.
Yeah, I
This
did.
song
And then so we just
specifically
need
is really
the
loud.
like on click thing for you guys.
Oh, I see. I hear it.
I really wish we could that we get the new Godot update so we could do the transforms more easily for like button
Oh
scaling.
shit!
Because I really want to make all the
Hold
buttons
on.
like scale when you click them. Mm-hmm.
Is this better? Does this work now? I don't know. My stream was doing the thing still where it was like flickering, and I don't know why. Weird. It looks like it's better
I
now.
don't know.
I'll need to figure that one out. Let's see. What was the? I mean, we could. There's nothing wrong with us swapping to the Godot dev build right now, but what was the
True.
reason you wanted to swap to it? Sorry, you just said something.
The UI transform scaling stuff.
Hmm. What do you want to use that for? I'm
Buttons.
just curious.
I want all the buttons to be like bouncy and squishy when you click them.
Hmm.
I mean, if you want to make do that.
I don't want to
Sure.
work on UI today.
Yeah, I assumed you didn't. That's why I
Yeah.
said.
All right. What was the train thing that you wanted me to do?
So right now, if you teleport,
Mm-hmm. I should actually have to go to that room. So if I teleport, oh my god, it's still doing it. What the fuck? Hold on. Sorry, my.
that's okay.
Let me try this other window selection thing because I'm using window capture pipewire. Let's try display capture, whatever the fuck this is. I don't know which one is this. Oh, cool. That. Huh. Believe it or not, that doesn't seem to work at all, actually.
Very
It's
cool.
kind of cool. Okay. So this one sucks. Sorry, guys. Give me a second. What else can I use? So display capture X, whatever the fuck, that doesn't work. Screen capture pipewire is the one that's giving issues. Window capture X composite, I might be able to. Nope. At source. Okay, I guess we'll just go back to using. I'll just recapture the fucking screen, I guess. Remove this. Yep. Add new source. Screen capture pipewire. All right, I have to look. Oh my god, it's still doing it. Okay, I'm looking this up. Sorry, I can't. Nobara, screen, flicker, OBS. Is it because this is a high frame rate? Nope, it's 60. If I turn on VSync, does it change it?
We should be able to sit on the sombrero. The what?
The sombrero? Are you still sharing my screen or are you sharing yours?
Yeah, I'm sharing your screen.
It might have been in the shop, I'm assuming.
Yeah, maybe.
Does not show. Yeah, he has a sombrero.
True.
KDE OBS monitor flickering. I don't know. I don't know how to fix this actually.
It's over.
Disabling VSync. Some people are saying to disable VSync. Oh, let's try it. Monitor, display configuration. Ba-bum-ba-ba-bum. So I don't know how to tell it this, but oh wait, hold on.
Mhm.
Okay, I've turned off screen tearing prevention. Nope, still broken. Okay. Does this happen on any other window, or is it just Dante's 9? Looks like it's just Dante's 9. If I make it a smaller window, will it be broken still? Just Dante. Oh, it is actually just... What?
Very
Wait, I'm
cool.
actually hella confused. You can like see, so what I'm looking at on my OBS right now, and I'm fairly certain this shows up on stream, is there's like this portion of my Dante window that is flickering, and it is showing like my desktop for like a frame every few seconds. I wonder what I can do to fix that. Let me see. Can I make you... Give me a second. It's not that. I'm gonna try something. I will try to fix this by next stream, but I'm just gonna see if I can just do Dante's 9 specifically. Capture. Okay, well this is Godot and this is Godot. This one's Godot. I don't. Okay, we're looking this up again actually. OBS Studio Godot Linux flickering. Has anyone... Sorry, I'm reading through this. Someone said this. I'll try this. I don't know if that's gonna work. I kind of doubt that it will, but we'll find out. Low processor mode is sleep. What does this say? 1 and 10,000? Sure, dude. I doubt it's this because I think this is mainly an editor issue. I'm gonna go back to Google really quickly and see if anyone else is. All right, let me rerun the game and let's see. Imagine a world where that just somehow fixes it. Surely not. Oh no. Okay, there it is. I wonder if I have any weird launch options for my Godot. Let me see. think so. It doesn't seem like it. This person also recommended something else with my display settings, so I'm gonna do that. What is adaptive sync? Godot's fighting for your human rights. Well, Godot needs to knock it off. I don't think it's Godot, actually. I think it's probably because I stream using my graphics card as the processor. My console also flickered. Yeah, I thought it was also like that, Cosmic. So I don't know if that would make a difference. We shall see, though. I'm curious. I'm not seeing any flickering right now. So maybe that's fine. I guess we'll just... Nope. Cool. The second I was like, oh, time to not do this, it flickered. I'm losing my mind over this. FreeSync has caused screen tearing for you. Yeah, the problem is I don't think I have FreeSync. Also, why is it doing this?
Maybe it's time to switch off of Linux.
Definitely not.
I think so.
Yeah, that's gross. I don't know why that...
We should open Slay the Spire to see if it's all Godot games.
I actually hate that you're kind of like... You might be right on that one.
You want to do the daily while we're at it?
No, well, that daily was yesterday. I already did.
Yeah,
the
we could do it again.
Definitely don't ever fall back to that. Driver Vulcan. Let me put this bitch in studio mode and do something really quickly. I have another scene that has the desktop. I wonder if it's because I have multiple scenes that are using the desktop. I very much doubt it. I also don't know if it's my overlay thing, because it's really weird that it's specifically the Dante's 9 window. That flickering's also got me a little worried. Let's try mobile renderer and see what happens. Actually, I don't think mobile renderer makes a big difference, does it?
Dante 9 mobile.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. You guys can't see this, but I can. My monitor is flickering right now. Like, my monitor is, like, pulsing.
Like your
and
entire
I think
monitor.
that's because of the variable refresh rate. Yeah.
Very cool.
So my monitor itself is fucked up right now in, like, the most minuscule way possible. And I'm gonna fix that because I know what's causing that.
Okay, that's really ugly. We're not going to use that.
So I'm gonna do a couple of things. I'm gonna turn off this. I'm gonna turn my monitor down to 60 hertz for now during the stream and see if that fixes it. If this fixes it, then I will just play at 60 hertz, or I'll stream it and work on things at 60 hertz. Honestly, that's mostly fixed the flickering. Oh, no, just kidding. I'm losing my mind out here, dude. turn off the everything. Turn off the other windows. Oh, I'm not going to do that. All right, I have a solution for it. I don't like it, but I do have a solution that I think works. Window. And I'm going to select the window editor. And I'm going to do this like so. And then I'm going to select the game, Dante's 9. Oh. Oh. Cool. That's not what I wanted. Why is this not... Brother. This Linux shit is pissing me off. I also don't know what part is... It could be a graphic card issue. It could be a OBS issue. It could be... I'm kind of leaning towards it being an OBS issue, actually, because it's not flickering on my side. It's only flickering in the capture. Where is... Let's run Dante's 9. Let me put this bitch back on forward plus. I actually don't know what's going to happen when this restarts. Oh, interesting. Cool. Yeah, that's what I was hoping would work, actually. I was hoping it would look like that. Okay, so if I put Dante's 9 up here, does this shouldn't flicker, right? Right? If someone streams my game, will they get the same error? I don't think so. Because it might be something to do with the weird shit that I got going on with OBS. I'll figure it out after stream if I can get it to at least not be terrible on stream. Because what I did was I just made it so that oh my god, that really. I'm losing my mind. Also, the stream is running at 60 FPS, and my monitor is now also running at 60. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I will be back in a minute on stream. I'm still in Discord. So give it like, I don't know, a minute, and then I'll be back on YouTube. Stream output X264. Can you do me a favor? Are you able to check your stream settings and tell me what your encoder is?
Encoder?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
If you go settings, output, what is your encoder for video? Is it X264?
X264, yeah.
What are your options in encoder settings?
Rate control, bitrate, keyframe interval, CPU usage preset, profile, tune.
No, I mean, like, can you read through, like, just go down each option and tell me what they are?
CBR 6000 bitrate, 0 keyframe interval, very fast CPU usage preset, and then nothing for the rest.
That's for your streaming?
Yeah.
Really? What the fuck?
It's what?
I don't know. That's like the default. Okay. We'll see if that changes anything. Oh, unable to start output. Oh no, wait. I think I'm streaming again. Let's see. Yeah, I'm live on Twitch. Okay. Today's stream might be a little cooked. Sorry, gang.
Let's go.
I changed my encoder to be CPU instead of GPU, and we'll see what happens. Okay, well, either way, I guess I'm just gonna work on stuff. So you were talking about teleporting stuff. What was up with the
Mhm.
teleporting stuff that you wanted it to do?
If you
So
teleport.
like if I go to shop and then go back to the start room, I just saw it flicker. I'm gonna lose my mind. All right. So if I teleport,
It's going to spawn a train.
oh
And
god,
then when
that's loud.
you can turn it down, but then I'll teleport you. So basically, it needs to make Dante disappear when the train goes by, and then as it goes by, it should just like fade out and then teleport. Because right now it's literally just spawning the train, and then when the train animation is done, it teleports you, like it currently does. I just don't know where exactly you wanted to put stuff like that, and also I don't know the best way to like lock inputs and things like that, and then move the player around.
I see.
Yeah. I believe right now all the things that spawn it are in the one of the mini map things. I think it's wherever the teleport like input is. It just says like before you teleport, do this.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that. Let's start with I just broke the game. It's called train animation, right? This is what you're spawning in.
Yes. So that is what I'm spawning in. It just has
So-
an animation that just auto plays when it enters. I can find the script if you want. I probably have it in here. I think it.
Did I have tutorial for game quality settings? Don't. Not really, no.
It's in
some of the
minimap
things-
viewport.
Okay. Yeah.
Line 23.
So the main thing that we do with the quality settings is we just have it's a little gross, but for the video settings we have just this video settings script. It's an auto load, and anytime any of the settings are updated. Sorry, I just saw it flicker on the Godot window.
Is Godot just cooked? Is it over?
Is it Godot? Is it everything? What if it's single window mode? What if I just have to turn that on? That'd be so sick and cool and great. What if instead of deving it gamely, you were stroking it grimly? All right, you're going in the brig. Oh, did you
Crazy.
see the Northern Lion clips of the group
Mhm.
playing Joke Boat, but they were all like using pirate words instead of anything else?
No.
They found a way to make Joke Boat kind of funny, which is a fucking crazy
what's
achievement.
Joke Boat?
Huh?
What's Joke Boat?
That's the one where they look like little mannequins and they like breed like jokes. It's a Jackbox game. They do jokes and then they like head to head it. Okay, it's
Yeah.
fine. It's one of the worst Jackbox games.
Yeah.
A lot of people like it. I don't get it. I hate it. It's it
Yeah.
looks like this, and you've got like the prompts.
Oh, yeah, that one. I've seen that one.
Yeah, this one ends up being terrible a lot of times, but they like actually managed to make it somewhat funny, which is
That's
crazy.
a first.
But yeah, anyways, for the video or for the game quality settings, we just have this thing that handles setting any of the settings. Anytime it's updated, it emits the updated signal. We are kind of just like hooking into this anywhere that the settings matter. So like for example, if I turn the settings back to no, I can't get settings here. I forgot. So if I set the quality to high, you should see that there is glow. This place doesn't have the thing, does it? The
The what?
viewport. The hub doesn't have viewport.
Yeah, it does. It should.
Oh, it does. Okay.
I probably accidentally pushed up the thing where it's still using the old. It's using the different stretch setting or whatever it's called.
I see.
So if something looks
So,
weird, that's probably
If,
why.
yeah, if you look at this, I have not you, JW, but
I'm looking.
the settings have changed so that there's less glow on everything. And we're basically just like anytime that this is adjusted, we just hook into the signal. I believe specifically for glow, actually, we have something down here. Yeah. If the glow is enabled, we adjust it on the environment, which is just the same environment used throughout the entire like level. The most complicated thing is the viewport scaling. So if I go here and change render scale, you'll see that the game drops down to this low resolution, which is mainly just for fun. But there is a difference between like medium, which looks like this, and high, which looks like this. The main difference is performance. So if I were to go into the debugger, I don't know what all of these are. I know what those are. Okay. If I adjust the frame rate, so this is set to unlimited. The stream might get a little cooked, but I guess not more cooked than it already is. You can see that the frame rate is sitting at about 102. Actually, I have a frame rate display, I think. Yeah, so right around 100. And if I were to go in here and just change the render scale to medium, this immediately jumps up to like 150-ish. But that one is just, we have the entire game inside of a viewport. And then we are just changing the like reduction of quality of that viewport, which is something that's built into viewports by default. So that is this thing. We have it set to stretch, and we have the override set so that the world always thinks it's on a 1920 by 1080 like size. But if the stretch is turned up, that lowers the quality of the actual world while keeping the movement and everything consistent. Let's turn this back to high. Let's actually have this set to medium and turn back on 60 FPS mode. So for the teleportation, let's break this down into a couple of things. Also, what was the thing I wanted to do after stream? Oh yeah, fix monitor flickering, please. So for the train, I'm just gonna rewrite things on this note. You wanted it to just like drive by in front of Dante. Dante is picked up / disappears and then fade out. Is that what you want, basically?
Yeah.
Okay. Can Dante move during the thing?
No. As soon as you click on, so what I want it to do is I want it to be when you click on the map, it will spawn the train, but before it does, I think I would want it to only spawn it if you're on the ground, so that way you don't like spawn the train midair and then it like flies over top of you. So if you push the button like while it's in midair, it locks your movement and then waits till you hit the ground and then spawns the train.
Okay, that makes sense.
So basically it goes, push the button, it closes the menu, it locks your input, and then checks if you're on the ground. If you're not on the ground, it waits till you're on the ground and then spawns train.
Okay, that makes sense. I can do that. Let's kill Dante. I wonder if this would do anything.
You're killing
What does this
Dante,
do?
what?
Is this?
Us.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I actually know you. I've been here some days ago. Didn't recognize you. Watched your tutorial. Nice. I'm glad that, or I'm assuming that the tutorials helped you, because you didn't say I watched your tutorials and they were terrible. But
Yeah, I mean,
if they did help you, I'm happy they did. If they didn't, then I'm sorry, I guess. Easter egg animation where the train moves down through the floor like it's an elevator. Oh, that's fun. It just like shoots down and like crashes through the floor and takes Dante with it.
That'd be kind of funny.
Also, I don't think the single window mode thing worked. I was seeing some flickers whenever I looked over to the right, but I don't know. Maybe it did. If you're not seeing it, then we'll hope. Okay, let me do a little thinky really quickly. What was I?
Bitlytic thinking. That's a first.
So what we want is, I guess for this, like the more technical side of it is we want to lock input / movement, wait until Dante hits ground, spawn train, drives by, picks him up, and disappears, and then he fades out. Does it also, let me see. I guess this is easier to. Is it okay? So it locks camera movement as well, but not all input. That's okay. So let's do this. You are doing this. You set it inside of minimap viewport.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Yeah. Why didn't you want to put this inside of teleport to a room?
Huh?
Why didn't you want to put this in here?
Because I thought we might be using that at other places. Is that the only place we're using it?
We are using it here, and we're also using it in the debug menu, but that's it.
Yeah, because I was like, man, I guess you can use it if you want, but...
I mean, I can also do like a...
Yeah, I guess that works. But that was just my thought process. You can put it wherever. There is no really like, oh, I definitely shouldn't be in there.
Yeah.
It's
I was just
kinda
curious
like
if there was a reason that you were like, it wasn't working or something.
No, not like that, no.
Oh wait, no, I lied. Sorry. The debug menu isn't even using that. The debug menu has its own function called teleport to room that is just separate.
That is it.
So what we want to do is level manager teleport to room, turn off node hovered. Did you do this or did I do this?
Hmm.
Minimap viewport history train and stuff. Will this really not? Oh, there we go. That's the view I wanted to see. Thank you. Okay, that was a thing that you did. That's okay. Just don't like it. So all of this stuff is related to the train. Yep. So that will just be handled inside of level manager teleport to room.
Yeah.
So the next thing is also...
Hop on Valorant? Okay, sure.
Sorry, close map. Thought a mid should still be there.
Oh, by the way, shared chat is off.
Is? Oh, I see.
Mhm.
It doesn't reactivate it. Cool. Very nice. Also, who said hop on Valorant?
Axel.
Oh my lord. You surround yourself with very bad influences.
Sorry.
Speaking as
Whoa.
one of those bad influences.
Did you look? This now waves back and forth.
Whoa, he's got wavy cloth.
Yeah. Although it's opposite from the actual time up, it's a little weird. I might change that.
Okay, so right now this should be like completely at parity with what you had, hopefully. I guess we'll find out.
I guess we'll find out.
Yep. I don't see anything that would cause this to be different. LT, or no, LS slash LT shop. Okay, yeah, cool. This, yep, sick. All right, so what do I...
Oh, I love Dr. Pepper so much. It's so good. I'm a little evil, but
Hmm.
Okay. Is it now? That's not right.
Fuck, do we have the way? Do we have a way to get the ground below the player in an easy way?
How to do what?
Give me a second. Actually, sorry. Uh. Do we have like a? Let me see. Does this have a raycast thing anywhere in here? No. Chest has a drop to ground function, but that's because it has a. I see. Let me make a useful function really quickly.
Why is this always backwards? Biddy, why does this always wave in the opposite direction of the other tiles?
I have no
Whatever, it's
idea,
fine.
man.
I don't care.
Mhm.
It works. And it looks kind of cool. Okay, the other thing we need to figure out is how you actually start the game. Like, at the very beginning, like when you press the start button, what does it do? Because obviously it's not just gonna dump you in the train station. Definitely not. We would never do that.
Probably not. Who knows though?
Here you go, look at this guy. He's got his own little wavy platform to sit on.
There's a wave in it.
Mm-hmm.
Why is this not? Oh, because I didn't save the damn file. Duh.
I don't really like the banners, but maybe they work. Maybe they should be higher. Should probably be higher up. I really don't like this cat bed at all. It's not going to be a cat bed where you change skins. It looks ugly. Half because it's terrible to get, and also half because I suck at drawing, so It's not entirely your fault.
Many such, yeah.
Hey, what do you mean by this? Hello, Tony. Tony to Tone. And hello, Master
Wait,
Liberty.
what? What? Oh, yeah, that
Uh,
is lower.
I need to drink more of my Dr. Pepper. I'm not awake.
So what I can do is target. What the fuck is it called? Target input driver. Yeah.
And we can do the idea that you had where the train just like goes past and he kind of just like disappears.
Yeah, that's like.
Uh-oh. Hello?
Welcome back.
Hi.
Did you just die?
Yeah.
Lol. Kind of fire.
Okay, not to be an annoying evil creature, but those banners look great with the yellow accent. Oh, you might be right. Yeah, no, these are literally just like recolors of the red banners from the rainy area, so yeah, that's not a problem. I need to remake it anyways. I love this area so much. I need to make more levels for the rainy area. By the way, Biddy, which area do we want to be first? Because it won't be the red one anymore, because that one has to be the last one, because it has the boss.
I don't know. Oh shit. He's walking. He's walking. I forgot to make him not walk. Shit. Also, can you reshare your screen?
Yeah, give me a second. I'm waiting.
He's winning. You said you're winning?
I'm winning.
What does that mean?
I'm winning.
You can pause the game and share your screen.
Yeah.
My mind is being broken by the fact that I have 3 of my screen share open right now.
Ooh, look at this cool room design. This is such a well-designed room.
Yeah, that's true. Cool. And then, so if I were to teleport somewhere else. Okay, so the train doesn't spawn until Dante hits the ground. That's fine. I would maybe want it to wait a little bit longer. Oh wait, no, sorry, it doesn't. I'm stupid. I'm dumb. I'm also gonna turn this sound down because it is so loud.
Sorry, I didn't adjust it very well.
What? Wait.
Will the run looping feature be maintained? Yeah, we could probably have it in the demo. Maybe. I don't know if we will. I really like being able to continue running after beating it. I mean, yeah, but also you don't want to like give people too much stuff to do in a demo because then they'll be like, oh, okay, I had my fun, and then they won't buy the actual game. But we'll see.
Oh, there we go. Okay, that works. That wasn't exactly the way I was hoping it would be, but
Said bees as a DLC. Yeah, you're
Did
right.
you want
Money.
the train rails look like they spawn like above the ground? Is that what you want?
Hmm?
Let me show you once I get back into the game.
I mean, yeah, they sit like on the ground.
There you go.
I mean, you could have them go. I guess you could have it go like through the ground if you want. Now that I think about it, with the
Yeah. They're just like on top of where Dante would be. I just didn't know if you wanted it to be different than that.
yeah. See what it looks like if you put it below. It would be 8 pixels down. Or no, not 8. It give me a second.
It would be like 16, I think.
I think 16. Yeah, because I think it's 4 pixels tall.
Oh shit.
What?
Are you using a tween?
Tween? No.
No.
Wait, what for? Now, literally all it is when the animation is done, it teleports you. There's nothing
Oh,
special.
That's crazy.
Well, because I didn't have time to do anything else.
There's just, there's,
busy
I mean,
guy.
yeah, okay. I mean, you could have just been like, you could have had a function here that gets called at the end of the thing, but whatever.
What do you
It's
mean at
fine.
the end of the thing? What?
Don't worry about it. Literally, don't worry about it. It's
It
fine.
literally already does that. It changes.
it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
If you save the scene and then load back in, it looks like it broke the connection.
Yeah,
so if
because you're
you're-
gonna be doing that like so often.
I
I don't
will
even know what
be.
you're saying, but yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. I'll
Anyways,
fix it.
like that's just temporary.
Mhm.
Anyways,
Temporary.
What should I make the object where Dante changes skins? I tried making a cat bed, but it looked really bad, and now I need something else. Seeing like a little tent, maybe. That could be good. Wait, can I see now? Sorry, I wasn't looking. I don't know if that's all the way down.
Yeah, in rooms like these, it looks really weird, but in this one, it's a little bit better.
Can you do that one more time? Sorry, I was changing screens.
We'll find out if I can or not. Okay.
You can also you could just bind it to a spot. I guess it wouldn't spawn at the exact point, yeah.
It wouldn't.
It's an interesting question because it's a train station. Yeah, I was thinking it was maybe like a tent because it's like
Alright,
always
are you
like kind
looking?
of has a temporary setup in the train station.
Are you looking?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay.
Yeah, that's still slightly above. It needs to be like 2 pixels slower, I
Okay.
think. Like 2 in-game pixels, so 8 pixels lower.
2 Dante pixels.
Yeah, 2 Dante pixels. A pile of suitcases? Ooh, wait, you might be cooking.
That definitely is incorrect.
What do you mean? Yeah, that's too much, yeah. I don't know what you did, but...
Yeah,
yes.
I definitely. I guess it'd be 24 here.
Still a little too much. Because dead people brought their luggage and they couldn't bring it with them to hell. That actually works really well though, hold up. That looks close to right? Yeah,
Yep.
that's right.
Yeah, it's fine.
I definitely think that looks better than
Alright.
having it like on top.
Yeah.
Because the other issue that I
So,
also
I'm
saw
trying to
was
think about-
when it was higher up, you can still kind of see Dante fairly easily underneath the train. So it'd make it look
Yeah.
weird, like if he just disappears. But here it like...
So I'm thinking about what this should do. So how do we? I'm trying to think of how we should make him disappear behind the thing.
Probably by setting his visibility to false.
Yeah, that's great, but he's not behind the train by default.
Well, we could make the train up a layer because it has
We
bubble
can make-
shader on it.
We could make the train up a layer. Did we?
Yes, we can. I had originally moved it back because so that way it would go behind the ground. But we have bubble shader now, so it doesn't matter.
I thought that you moved it back because you wanted to be in front, whatever. Or you wanted to be behind certain things. Train.
You could have a little goober with flavor
What
text
is-
like people come and go through here all the time. Yeah, I don't want to add too much dialogue because then
Where's...
I'm bad at writing and also translations, but I probably should, to be honest.
Where did you edit the fucking Z index of this?
What? I think it's just 0 right now. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Because I had moved it
You just
back.
said that
then
you
I
moved it
removed
back, which
up.
made me
Yeah,
think that
I
you
had moved it back, and then I
but-
moved it back up. So don't worry about it, you know? I don't think you need to slow it down to 0.1 to see whether it goes behind on there or not, but
Okay.
pop
Yeah,
off.
no, you're right, dude. Yeah, thanks, Queen. You are
My
right.
pleasure.
Also, yeah, this game was originally by Timper, and then I joined
Mhm.
like a year ago.
Yeah, then I quit, and I was like, I don't want to work on this anymore. So I just make him do all the work while I sit here and watch.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, I'll let you cook with that. I'll go draw my own stuff. Suitcases. Pile of suitcases. Actually, never mind. You're getting the lytic screen again while I look at Pinterest.
Okay, Dante's behind it. Nice. So...
Typical CEO behavior.
No, genuinely. This is... Whatever. Train animation.gd. Dude, I see everything flickering now. This is pissing me off.
Hi, Shenya. Why is it trying to translate your drooling emoji? You're like a little
It's kinda
weird for
funny.
that one. Shenya, you wanna hop on Super Battle Golf? Just kidding. I'm rage baiting.
Oh, I see. This animation
Oh, I already
itself doesn't,
refunded that. That's crazy.
the animation itself doesn't move. It's just the train.
Hmm? Yeah, the train
No,
moves. The
yeah.
animation does not move. This is true. If you want to change how that
What
works,
in the
you
fucking
can
world
do
is
that.
train route?
Train route.
There's train and train route.
Train route is it's essentially I forget what it was, but it's so I can do some like rotation stuff.
I see.
Because as you can see, I forget which one it is that does it, but there's the rotation point is on the back wheel, so that way like the bouncing animation was a little easier to do.
I should have paid more close attention to that whenever that happened. Unfortunate.
Jadu, after stream, I'd like to ask for advice on a sprite issue. Okay. Please don't let me forget. I might let you forget. It might happen. I'm sorry. Oh, wait.
You're not freeing this on the end of the animation.
Yeah, I know.
Why not? What?
Because.
Like, it's not freeing ever.
Yeah, I know. I didn't get there to
Alright.
that part yet. What ice cream flavors do you guys prefer? I love birthday cake ice cream. Birthday cake is the best flavor.
I'm a big fan of the answer I give everyone, cookies and cream.
Lame. Lame.
The real answer of what my favorite ice cream flavor is called Blue Moon, and it's a niche flavor up in around the Wisconsin area. It's like regional, and I fucking love that ice cream.
So you're saying you just lie to everybody because you don't feel like talking to them?
Yeah, that's exactly what I said, actually. Yes, sir.
Okay. I just wanted to double check.
Q free. And then also player dot visible equals true. Oh, I guess actually no, I can do that inside of the other thing. Level manager. Inside of here. Blue Moon is good. Blue Moon is really good. You can put and call a function in animation player. Yeah. If you don't already have that, you can go here and make a call method track. You can select which node you want to call it on, and then you can right click and insert a key and call any of the functions on a node.
What the hell is a birthday cake flavor? It's birthday cake flavor.
You can also pass in arguments, which this one is specifically a bool, but yeah, very useful.
Biddy, do you like
Very
birthday
big
cake
fan.
ice cream?
Not really, no.
Oh, okay.
Also, why do you have to be cryptic about Blue Moon ice cream? Because if I say it to anybody who hasn't been up in the Wisconsin area, most people don't know about the flavor Blue Moon.
So you're not allowed to tell them about it because they don't know what it is. That makes sense.
What? No.
So you just said.
Nope. That isn't what I
That's
said. Callie,
exactly
no.
what you just said.
Callie, no. Why do you choose now? She hears me talking. She's like, oh, it's time to go sit in his lap and piss him off. Just kidding. She doesn't piss me off, but she gets pissed off at me talking.
Yeah, a lot of people do.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Oh, does this not have a
My bad,
level
game.
fade out? I thought this had a fade out. Weird. I thought there was a fade out, but I guess not.
Imagine like an alternate reality where Biddy was like normal and thought that the Pikuniku soundtrack was actually really good. That'd be crazy. I feel like the world would have a lot more peace if that was the case.
That might be true.
But unfortunately, he does not recognize it as a real soundtrack.
That's not true. I just don't
It's
think
true.
it's as good as you say it is. I think it's fine.
Rectangles? Yeah, look at all the rectangles. It's beautiful.
Alright, GW.
JW, please let me paw
I-
at the suitcase handles. That's so much work.
Alright, I have fixed
When
it,
is JW getting married? Okay, bro.
Are you looking?
I'm looking.
There goes Dante.
Whoa.
Ah, there's an annoying thing I'm seeing there.
Mm-hmm.
You see it too?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what? Do you see what's happening and what's annoying?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's the light.
It's the light.
Just fade him out. Just fade him out really fast so it's not as, like, jarring.
Just fade him out.
Yeah. Like,
Dante's
it's just
getting faded,
unironically.
bro.
Just...
I don't even know if that... I wonder what happens if I set his modulate to... Oh, shit. Wait, hold on.
Hmm?
Okay, ignore the fact that he's still gone.
They got him. Guys, it's over. They got him.
Let's fucking go. Dante's dead. Finally.
What do you mean, finally?
I hate that fucking cat. That fucking cat that I hate. And it's just a
That's
picture of him for a
crazy.
cat.
I hate this place, man.
Mm-hmm. Alright, yeah, check this out. So
Mhm.
here I am. I'll do a little jump.
Oh, does it not get rid of the light? What?
It doesn't.
I feel like it should like fade out the light. I don't like having a little light sitting there. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, dude. I don't even know. What are you even doing for this light? Where is this light at?
I mean, you
This one?
couldn't you literally just take Dante and just say the modulate go down over time, and that would fade the light.
So I don't know how to tell you this.
Yeah, are you doing
The
that?
way that I'm making him disappear right now is setting his modulate
Oh.
to 0.
Very cool.
So the answer is no. Oh, it's
Okay,
slow as
whatever. You
fuck.
can just use it like that for now. I hate this guy.
No, it's fine. I just don't know what it's.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Everything's fine.
Do we have a way of getting rid of the light? No. Is there a reference? There's no reference to the light on
No,
the player.
it literally just like sits there.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a function called fade out, and a function called fade in. With a time. How did I look over and see woo rectangles?
I'm drawing rectangles.
It's crazy.
I know, I'm such a cool artist.
Reference the light node and just visible false. Yeah, but like
Yeah, but then it looks
I-
bad. And then I'm gonna kill
see,
him because it looks
so there's
bad.
there's the answer. There's the answer of why I don't do that. I was going to, you could just reference the light and fade it out. That would be great. But then there's this thing over here. So I'm like, okay, I need
What
to
thing over here? What?
you.
What
This
did I
thing, that
do?
thing. It's like, I don't like that the light just disappears. And then I made the
You
light not
literally
just
pointed
appear.
it out
And then he goes,
first.
he's like, oh, but the light doesn't disappear now. But I wanted the light to disappear. So it's like, I'm like,
I
okay,
hate this guy.
here's what we're gonna do.
I
I'm
hate
gonna
this
make
guy.
this as, I'm gonna make it as like,
TSPMO.
if he comes back and he goes, oh, I don't like the way this looks, I'm gonna make it so that I can just like tweak a little value, and that's all I need to do.
That's crazy.
So-
I'm going to be smart and I'm
Um,
going to export this before I detail it to make sure like the size actually feels right in game.
Yeah, I'm doing that one. I'm doing the slowly fade out with tween.
Jado, what you could do for cleaner lines, make all your rectangles separately, then honey glue them together and use physics assembler, then make them into a pile. Yeah,
That's
you
true.
might be cooking. You might be cooking with that one.
Mm-hmm.
Biddy, stop LARPing. You don't know what we're talking about. The LARP is insane.
You LARP as a kid who got to watch SpongeBob.
This is not true.
You didn't get to watch SpongeBob as a kid because your parents thought it was satanic.
It's also not true.
That's not too far off the mark, though.
It's pretty far, but it's funnier if we say that. So,
Why didn't your parents let you watch SpongeBob as a kid?
because I just thought it was like stupid and like that's pretty much what they said. I don't remember. It was a long time
Yeah,
ago.
for sure.
I mean, I think I watched it in like middle school. I don't remember, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry about it. Oh, I forgot to add the Family Guy clip section on my stream.
How do you set the...
SpongeBob in
Oh, I
middle
can fade the
school.
light out by doing this, I see.
Yeah. SpongeBob is the go. I'll sometimes put SpongeBob on at work.
He's LARPing.
No, I'm not. No, I'm
Yeah.
not. This is true. This is a fact. I've done it before. I'll do it again.
Oh wait, can you just set an ease for it to
You're
run
grounded.
locally?
Alright, bro.
Right, I can do like set ease. Yeah.
Here's my pile of suitcases. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, that works. And like maybe when you interact with it, he'll like jump up into the suitcases and it'll do a little squish. Some of the suitcases look a little big to me compared to the benches, but I think it's okay. Yeah, I was thinking more compared to Dante. Cause like... And I mean also the benches are like really tiny compared to Dante if you think like a normal sized cat, but like who cares? Same with the train. But like it looks nice, so who cares about scale? Any expected release date for Dante's 9? Yeah, we're planning to release it like within the next couple days.
Okay, alright, we're just lying. What the fuck? What the fuck? What a crazy lie to just drop.
What? It's so fun.
I can't wait until
Yeah, it's all
JW
about vibing and
announces
making
the Dante's 9
physical
release
sense, yeah.
date. And then like immediately after he announces like the planned release date, I'm like, okay guys, I'm done with Dante's 9 and I just like peace out.
I think I would like die. Release
So
date
he has
6
to, like,
months ago.
walk it back immediately.
The release date on Steam was in like September of last year. And then I had to change it.
That's true. I was panicking. He DM'd me.
This is true.
Fuck. Dante's 9 is releasing in a week.
Yeah. I had to like call Gabe Newell and be like, hey, can you change my release date, twin?
Oh.
Why is the Dante not leaving?
Why is the Dante not leaving?
Okay, well, suitcases look good. I think there should be some suitcases. Sorry, my bad. Anyways. Hey, well, when Dante is officially done, I can pitch my game to you guys, and then you'll be like, OMG, I can't wait to work on another cat-based roguelite. The funny thing is you would not be the first person to ask us to work on another cat-based roguelite after this
After
one.
Dante's 9, yeah. This is true. Why is the Dante not fading?
But hey, we can make three. We can make three cat-based roguelites.
3? I'm barely finishing this first one with my fucking sanity. And I don't even know if that's I don't know if that's guaranteed.
We need a Vaporeon cat as well in the game. Oh, you're so right. We need legally distinct water cat. It is Tempura Cat games after all. This is true. The next game could be Dante's 8. Alright. Y'all need to come up with some original jokes, I'm not gonna lie.
Damn, that's crazy. He said, I hate you bums. He said, fuck you bums.
Yep, that's what I
That's
said.
crazy.
Yeah.
Why is Dante not fading out? Anyone know?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
JW, why is Dante not fading out?
What? I don't know. Says the 6'7" jongleur. Well, 6'7's funny. 6-7, 6-7. Sorry, my bad.
Oh, I know what's happening. I'm stupid is what's happening. This needs to be set to parallel. Oh, okay. Why did
There we
Dante
go, looks
go
pretty good.
from...
Do these have an outline?
Why the fuck does Dante not... Huh? He doesn't fade. He's either on or off.
What are you fading it?
Fading's modulate.
Does he have a shader on?
it's
He
a
probably has a shader.
yeah.
He most certainly does have a shader.
Fuck. It's because of that. Is there a way for me to reference modulate instead of a shader? I feel like
Well,
the answer is yes, but I
for
always forget.
for fading Dante, you don't need to fade Dante. You just need to fade the lights. Is what I'm saying. Because like if Dante's behind the train, you're not going to tell that he's fading. Like
Yeah,
just
pretty
think
much.
with your little brain.
Alright, does that look fine, Twin, or does that look like shit still?
It looks terrible, but it's fine.
Yeah, it's because that ugly ass train that's going off in front of him.
No, that's not true. Is it fading the light? If it is, it's doing it very quickly.
You can watch it if you want.
Okay, so it fades it in like one frame.
Are you, like, stupid or dumb? Did you not see it fade, like, basically the entire length of the train passing in front of him?
No, I didn't.
You know the train, like, passes really quickly in front of Dante? Like, unbelievably, disgustingly quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Like, just watch whenever the train lands. Okay. It's fading. Then it's done.
I think it looks terrible. Can you redo it?
Okay. I'm gonna
I'm
give you
joking,
the
I'm
worst
joking.
fate
It looks
possible.
fine.
I'm gonna give you the
It
worst
looks
fate possible.
fine.
JW's on stream. I'm gonna go use the bathroom and walk around my apartment for 20 minutes. BRB.
Alright, good luck. Finally some peace and quiet. We like definitely don't hate each other, by the way. Just so you know. At least you could use some color variety. Bad news, he's no longer a deck builder. We need to factor the entire game in 2 days. You're so right. He's not here though to hear the horrible news. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got some client workings to do. See ya. Good luck with that. I'll help you with your sprite stuff later. I'll try not to forget.
Alright, I'm back.
Oh,
Hello, gang.
darn.
Hello, Gangathy. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
My fault, Twin.
Yeah, I see how it is.
I just wanted to let everyone know that I was a little tired.
Okay. I'm sure you did.
yeah, this text is fucked up. Oh, I guess also the train should probably drop Dante off.
Yeah, we just haven't gotten to that yet.
Yeah.
So the teleporters will now be like little mini train stations. I need to draw the art for those. It'll probably just be like a little bench and like a little sign or something, since it doesn't need to be like a full physical train station because magic train.
Yeah. So like, what do we want that to look like?
It doesn't have to look like anything right now. You can just literally use the regular
like-
teleporter. You mean like
yeah,
the train stopping?
I meant, does the train stop? Because I was my idea in my head, at least, and I don't know if this is what you want, was that the train would come flying in the way it normally does, and as it goes by here, Dante like shoots out of the top and then lands back down on the ground. You know what I'm talking about? Kind of like he tosses himself out of the train.
I mean, we could try that if you want to do that real quick with just reuse the animation. But I was thinking that it would like stop and then drop him and then go again. But just so it's like some variety, so they're not just like reusing animations, you know.
Well, we don't have to reuse animations.
I mean, it's literally the exact same thing, just dropping him off.
I mean, sure. Brew beer.
Robear. Imagine if Bitlytic was an artist. He'd be like so much cooler.
I wouldn't need JW. I'd take over Dante's 9 and I'd turn it into a old school roguelike.
Yeah, never mind. That would be pretty terrible.
Can't pause the game.
That's a little awkward.
It is.
Force him to learn French? I don't want to do that either.
What a terrible, terrible statement. Holy shit. I hope the CIA isn't watching because you might have just given them a new torture technique with that one. I won't lie to you, twin.
That's crazy.
Okay, I guess that works now. Whatever. Okay. So, what did you say? Something like the train stopped and already in the scene with Dante, and then it fades out. Could do that. Like you just spawn into the next level and the train's there with Dante hopping out, and then it fucking chugga choo choos off to the side.
Maybe.
Maybe.
You're the animation guy anyways. You love animating, so.
I did something wrong with the shader, I think. I just realized, didn't I? I did. Hold on. It's not pixelated. I understand. I'm doing something stupid in here. I gave you distance from center. This is from the center of the texture, but it's not. This is not correct.
It's not correct. What?
No. Hold on. Wait. What is texture scale? What does this do? I don't actually remember. It's kind of funny. I realize what this is doing wrong is it's not fading out the individual pixels. It's fading out based on how far along the texture it is, which is a problem because it should be using world position.
Okay.
So do I know where the size is? Like, what if I were to do like distance from center is 1 over, or width is 1 over this. Width is the actual size of this in the world, I think. So if distance from center is this, which is almost correct, I think. Whatever. I'm not going to fix this right now. You don't even use that, so it's fine. Alright, let's make a new animation really quickly, which is just like, I don't know, move. So what are you doing in here exactly? Is there anything crazy going on, or is this just...
No, not really. It's pretty basic. Quite basic, actually.
Alright, let me actually start with this. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to just duplicate your animation, and we're going to work off that.
What?
And ideally it doesn't start in the air. That's fun.
What did you do?
No, just the train's doing a wheelie,
Oh, very cool.
which is a fun idea. Let's not do that. Dissolve amount. Oh, yeah. Dissolve amounts for the dissolve shader.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Then rotation will be 0. So this will go from sitting there with Dante to going away. Oh my god, there's so many things handling this fucking train's movement.
Not really, but
I mean, there's the train and train route, and then the train rotation, and there was also train scale.
yeah. But I mean, like the scales just for like squash and stretch and stuff.
Oh, that's kind of funny. What a funny accidental thing that could be kind of cool.
Why does it go down?
Because I just duplicated your animation and I'm just like killing things out of it until
it looks right. Cool.
Yeah,
That works,
pretty
you know.
much. Yeah. And this is moving forward. It shouldn't be. Big fan of whatever's going on here, to be honest. No, not that. I'm not a big fan of that, actually.
What are you doing?
What a fuck ass train.
What are you doing over
I'm
there?
playing around with it a little bit until I figure out what feels good. All right.
Anything but working on Dante 9.
I'm literally working on Dante 9, you motherfucker. Chat, can we kill this guy? This thing.
Chat.
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 Why do you say chat like XQC does?
I don't know.
Chat.
Hmm.
Type shit. Cool. All right, let's try this. Do you have an animation player reference in here? You do.
Whoa, I'm so cool.
Funk. What would it be like? Like, pick up Dante.
Pick up Dante.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then like,
Kind of cooking with that name, I'm not gonna lie.
I'll probably call it Arrive and Leave, to be honest with you. But pick up Dante is kind of cool. Animation player.play. What's the name of the animation that you used? Spawn. Sick. And leave. So that inside of level manager, right here I can say train scene spawn train.
Pick up and
dot.
pet Dante. True.
Yeah. Does Dante really deserve that yet? Game's not even out.
That's crazy. This guy hates Dante.
You are
Do you hear
absolutely
that?
correct.
Yeah. This guy hates Dante. It's over.
I don't know if this will work. We'll find out. You guys work on a top-down game later? Hopefully, I don't work with a game with on a game with him again. But
That's
maybe.
crazy. This guy hates me.
This is true. I don't know. I at some point want to start up a side project of mine that I've been wanting to make for a long time.
Yeah, we
Why did
know.
Dante bounce?
Traditional
Oh, he bounced because he
roguelike.
landed on the bench. I see.
Traditional
Wah, wah,
roguelike,
wah,
blah, blah,
wah.
blah. Yeah. Okay. We get it,
Yeah,
bro.
right, dude. This guy hates when his friends talk about things that they care about.
This is true.
Just a little heads up for anyone who's curious. Oh shit, dude, where the fuck's he going? Bum-ba-da-bum. Where you going, bud?
Where is Twin Mineral going?
Yeah, no, he's going places. I just don't know where that is. I forgot that crashes. Tee.
Blew up crashing the Dante 9.
Only 2 people in the world can say that they are. It's me and you.
The only cats that do not
That's it.
deserve pets are the ones who steal bread. So Bit doesn't deserve pets, but JW does. Okay.
What is this? What is this falsehood being put on my name? Why is my? Oh my god, my
Yeah,
screen's
you would
flickering
steal
really
bread.
badly right now. What the fuck?
You're a stinky little cat that would steal bread. Can confirm.
Don't
I've met
don't call
him.
me a stinky little cat that would steal bread.
Yep, that's you.
That's weird. You're weird. There's like a region of my screen. If I sit my mouse in it, it causes it to flicker more. That's so fucking weird. So what happened to the train, and why did the train not spawn? What the hell? Oh, I know what happened. Lol.
What happened?
Oh wait, no, I don't know what happened. What the fuck?
Oh, he doesn't know what happened.
Wait,
What the hell?
what the hell?
What the hell? What the hell?
What the huh? What the what?
What the what? What the guh? Huh?
Huh. Weird. Very weird. How bizarre.
The bazaar?
Oh, I know one thing that's going on. So the first thing is that the input driver dot target position is equal to player dot global position. I do like seeing Dante get just absolutely obliterated by the train. That's pretty fun.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh shit, that actually looks kind of cool. I kind of fuck with that a little bit, to be honest. I don't think you're going to, but maybe you will.
Probably not.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah. It's okay.
Ignore the fade out. Ignore that fade out. The train is
There's-
definitely a little too fast, yeah.
Yeah. It shows the stream is muted, and I was like, damn, they just ignored me. Yeah, we also just ignored you because I didn't see your message.
Who did we ignore? Just kidding, I don't care. We're
That's
ignoring them.
crazy. All right, bro.
We're busy ignoring.
Bro, just ignoring the musician.
This is not an official thing
crazy.
yet. So I don't
Me
think
when
it
all the
is.
client wanted me to do was to listen to the demo, and they aren't actually available to work on anything yet. RIP. Fun fact, I'm 90% sure the Celeste soundtrack uses Spitfire soft piano. I think I have that.
Yeah, it's Spitfire Labs soft piano. It's
Yeah.
free.
All the Spitfire labs are really good.
They are. Well, yeah, most of them are.
A lot
really,
of them are
really
good.
They're probably really, really good, given certain contexts. Some of the ones that I've been like, oh, this is eh. There's a Spitfire orchestra you can get if you like sign up for like their newsletter or some shit.
Yeah,
It comes
I
with a
think-
full
I
thing.
don't remember if I tried getting that one.
I think
There's a
it's called
couple that
symphony orchestra.
I don't remember.
Something like
There's a
that.
few that I tried getting that would just break. Okay, my party trick
Damn,
doesn't
okay,
work
your
on you
trick
guys.
doesn't work on us. Yeah, sorry, man.
Hmm?
You're talking to people that do some music stuff. I got FL Studio to run on Linux, so
All right, bro. This guy, literally, all this guy does is talk about Linux. Like, literally, any conversation, he's just like, how can I
Yep.
fit Linux into this conversation?
exactly.
I hate this
This is
guy.
correct. Because I have to remind you that, like, even though I have my problems with Linux, I'm not using Windows, which makes me better than you.
That time I ran over my immortal cat with a spirit train from hell is looking good.
We might need to kill you. I won't lie.
No, it
That's-
kinda
that
goes
is pretty
crazy.
fire. Let me scale the entire animation. Scale from cursor 2. Okay, that didn't work. Go from cursor 2. Oh, cool. Oh, because it's outside of the range of the animation now. Maybe this just moves like less far. That's way less far than. It still needs to like go through and just like absolutely destroy Dante. Let's go. I'm being agreed with in your chat.
I'm gonna put soft piano at Dante's 9 and not garble it at all. So 5 years from now, another game that producer will be like, hey guys, that's soft piano. Sure. And then his buddies will be like, yeah, we know. These suitcases are looking
And the
decent.
fucking- The fuck ass particles. These particles are pissing me off.
What about them?
The way that they don't like not those, don't worry about those. It's these whenever it leaves. They like all disappear at the same time. 'Cause I have to make
Are
it
you queuing
queue after
free?
the-
Just
yeah, I
don't
have
make
to make
it.
it wait until the particles. I know.
Yeah, just let it wait a little bit and then queue free. It's
It's
literally not that hard. Gold handle on the big
Why didn't you do it?
suitcases. Suitcase, get on its bright boy. Alright, bro. Let me cook. I'm cooking. Do not disturb the chef. Gold handle. Technically the handle would be up here, so like I don't know how well that would work. I mean, we could do like a little gold handle. Gold, 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 gold. I should open a case. This looks bad here. We're getting rid of that. Gold is hard because I don't have an outline here. Lighting on gold is always a pain because you have to like make it shiny. Yeah, actually, that kind of works a little bit. It looks kind of awful, but you know, whatever. Maybe it'd look better on the red one over here, now that I think about it. Sigh, wipe and stream if you don't want to be backseated. You might
That's
be
true,
right.
actually.
Can I make some music? Alright, good luck with the music. There we go, that's a gold handle now.
Good.
Gold, 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 gold. Can you send me a screening of gray area? Okay. You know, I should just send you like the whole project so you can just like open the game and look at stuff. Yeah, I guess this works. It also has nice rain sounds as well.
Alcor, do you use Linux? What is your Linux?
There you go.
I don't know what Linux I need to get JW to install whenever he eventually swaps. Because if you didn't know, you're swapping to Linux at some point.
What?
Yeah, sorry, man.
Nobody told me about this. Hello.
Yeah, nothing I can do about it.
It's over.
Wait. What? What?
You should probably start with Arch. Then be moved to
Definitely
Artix or something as
wrong.
a stable machine, then experiment with free BSD on the side. I don't know if you've met me before, but none of those words make any sense to me. And I would probably die if I tried to use any of them.
Definitely, you are not allowed to use Arch as your first Linux.
What? I
You're
wanna
not
be
allowed
like
to.
Wilson. I want to be cool like
Wilson. Have you heard the issues that Wilson has had
No.
with his Linux? No? Why? Why not, you stupid bastard?
I think
Why
this
is
guy
this
is a
freeing
little
itself?
mad about something rather.
Why is it? You shouldn't be freeing yourself
You
yet.
should free yourself now.
Is it setting visible to false because of the animation?
Probably.
It is. That's the problem.
Hi, Lazy. How are you doing? We're working.
You should start with Linux
For
from
once.
scratch. Also, hello. I'm glad you enjoyed the playtest. CashOS is a stable Arch Linux distro. That's what Wilson started with. Our friend Wilson. I said Wilson as if you know who that is.
Everybody knows Wilson.
Yeah, everybody knows Wilson. If you don't know Wilson, you should know Wilson.
This is, I mean, this is true.
Kind of true, yeah. Why? Oh, it's because you have. Is it because the modulate here? But yeah, he started with Cashy. He kind of likes it, but I just think JW using Arch would probably be like one of the worst things ever for the little guy. So.
All right, I'm not a little guy.
All right, little pal.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I'm a little guy.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess I'm a little guy.
Okay, so the issue with the particles might be that they are just not. Wait. Winston the gorilla from Overwatch. Definitely not that one. Why? Why are you not running any of my code? I
No
set emitting to
code?
false, but why does this finish signal not go off? What's the issue with it?
I don't know.
Oh, I
Is it because you're
see.
Q3ing it before it's finished?
Nope, it's not.
Okay.
It's because one shot is set to false because it's
Yeah.
not a one shot particle.
Hmm.
That's fine, I guess.
Does not sound like it's
Like-
fine, but I guess.
No, it's fine, dude. Don't even worry about it.
I
I'll
guess,
just like.
bro.
I also don't know why the particles are. Oh my god, dude, this fucking thing. The screen flickering is really pissing me off, to be honest. I keep seeing it flicker out of the corner of my eye. It's like really bad today, and I genuinely have no clue why. Hey, what particles even are these? Wait,
Hmm?
there's no way. These aren't even the fucking smoke particles.
What do you?
Where
What
are the
are you
smoke
trying to
particles
do?
at? I'm trying to make
Oh,
the
I don't
smoke
know.
particles not immediately.
They are
Die.
on Z train.
I
It's that
see
the one
that
that's a
now.
smoke there, yeah.
Oh.
You just don't do free the train.
But I need to stop the smoke from emitting, and it. You know what I'm talking about? Hmm. set the visibility of this to 0. Does the the particles stop emitting as well, or they stop showing up? All right. Well, this is terrible. Create tween. Time to make another tween.
There we go. 2 cases are almost done.
Does that work? Alright, apart from finite state machines, what design patterns would you say are the most important for making a roguelike? Especially if you're dealing with multiple items, weapons, and visual changes with said things. Mostly just the general idea behind, like, composition. Like, any variation of any pattern found within composition. Like, one of the ones that we're doing a lot of is, like, a very ECS style of composition. Where you kind of just attach data components or functionality components that read things from those data components. There's also the it might not be called action pattern. I know our friend Wilson really likes command pattern. He's been talking about that one a lot. Which that can also be found on the same website where you can read about all the other game design patterns, like gameprogrammingpatterns.com, I want to say it's called. Some shit like that. There's also... Actually, before I go on with this, are you talking about more of a modern roguelike, or are you talking about like a traditional roguelike? Because that actually changes the answer I was about to give just now.
Don't say traditional roguelite, or else BD will keep talking about traditional roguelites for like another hour.
Yeah, don't tell the truth, or I will continue talking.
Yeah.
God forbid that. Nobody wants that.
Yeah.
Polaris gun win. Polaris. Isn't that the North Star? Are you talking about like Cave Story?
North Star, like North Star client, like Titanfall 2.
Ooh, wow. That's so unfortunate, the thing you just said right now, JW.
What?
Motherfucker's always talking about Titanfall. Oh, Enter the Gungeon gun. I see. I don't know. JW, do you know the Polaris from Enter the Gungeon?
No, I do not.
Okay. Okay, can you check this out really quickly?
What am I checking out really quickly?
Let me know when you're looking.
I'm looking. Whoa, they stole him.
I could probably make it fade out, like, later and make it a quicker fade. Me thinking. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't even fade. Maybe it doesn't even need to.
Something about the lighting looks weird when the train is on top of Dante. I think the light might be in front of the train or something. Or I don't know why it looks weird.
It is, yeah.
It looks very orangey red. Like if you go to the hub area.
Oh, hold up, maybe. Yeah, go to the hub. How do I get back to the hub? I have to go back to main menu.
Like if you're in front of the train there. Oh, it is. Why does it look so much more? Is it the monitor?
Wait. No. I think I did something bad.
Yeah, because it looks really orange compared to what it usually looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me show you what it looks like on my side. If it'll load. It's my entire computer about to explode. Uh-oh.
Welcome back.
My computer exploded again. Don't worry.
Yep.
This time
I saw.
I'm restarting Godot, so hopefully it'll fix it.
All right. Yeah, I don't know. I just loaded in and it's like this. I wonder if I accidentally changed something.
Yeah,
in the
check
player
like
scene.
your changes.
Yep. Thanks. That's a reference to the light. I guess there's a change here. What is this change? Why did this... Weird. Yeah, apparently that changed something somehow.
Yeah, let me show you what it looks like on my end.
You have to share your screen first.
No, I don't wanna.
Okay.
Uh-oh, it's about to explode again. No. It's just my chat's flashing because they do that every once in a while. Thank you.
Yeah, I think I just had something changed with the light.
Yeah,
It
that
looks
that's
fine now.
better. That's better, yeah. If we really wanted to, we could even make the train like unlit, although that could look weird, but probably don't want to do that. Yeah, that's better at least. There's still a little weirdness with the lighting, but when he gets picked up, the fade could be a lot faster. Like it could fade like the second
Like
he gets
instantly, you're
like
talking
pretty much
about?
right as not instantly, but like a second or two after he gets picked up. Yeah, it could also be slower too. Like the fade could be slower. Because right now it's like I guess that probably works. Yeah, that could use some tweaking, but I mean honestly, if you just get it working, I can probably tweak it.
I really like the idea of the train just like fucking tilting back like hella far as it takes off. Not that far.
Yeah, we can
The
totally
train
do that.
popping a wheelie is like kind of crazy though. I kind of
Yeah,
fuck with it.
no, the train is supposed to be like crazy, silly, funky, wonky. You know.
Yeah. Kind of like that.
Like kind of like what? Yeah. Maybe even have it like accelerate faster and then like hit the wheelie then fade out. Or like kind of maybe like snap up and then back down and then fade.
Snap up and back down, then fade.
Yeah, so like does a little
What?
wheelie and then like lands back down and then fades out. It's like it's a little faster. So it kind of like accelerates really fast, so it's kind of jerky, which pops it up, and then it kind of snaps back down, and then goes forward and fades.
I see. Yeah.
Because it's kind of like janky and
Where are you at right now? What is this? You're at like 130. You're at 130 this time. On. Oh, let's go, dude. Trains, you're sold. Let's fucking go. We're trying to.
let's
Our
go.
plan
Yo,
of
is that Thornity?
triple dipping into.
What is that?
We're triple dipping into all the different types of autism. Let's fucking go.
That's the guy who made the black hole game with the other guy. You know?
Black hole game with the other guy.
Yeah, the one that like did really well recently. That guy can confirm.
Am I?
Well, you like don't talk to
I feel
people.
bad for not knowing what are you talking about?
Aramis and Thornity, game about feeding a black hole. They made a very successful incremental game.
Okay,
And
yeah,
that is
yeah.
why everybody's making incremental games now. I mean, not entirely,
I
but
see.
part of it. Yes.
Wait, Aramis
They're
released
both
a
very
game?
cool. Are you like stupid?
I literally don't pay attention to game releases.
I know
or-
you
I haven't
don't.
watched a lot
I
of
know
game
you
dev YouTube
don't.
recently.
Yeah, that's like my sort of thing. I love going around and talking to everybody and seeing what everybody's doing.
Mm,
So
shit, that's
you are
cool.
not required to remember what everybody's doing. That's my job.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
This train is not kicking off the way that it should. Where's the kick up animation part of this? Right there.
It's okay. That way you can claim not being inspired by anyone. This is true. I haven't played a single roguelite ever in my entire life.
I still will never let it down that you didn't watch Northern Lion until after you started working on this game.
It's like
Until
not that crazy.
like a
but
year after you started working on this game. You didn't watch the fucking roguelike guy?
It's not that crazy.
That's pretty fucking crazy, man.
It's okay. I've made up for it like 10 times over at this point.
You have, unfortunately, made up for it a lot, yeah. Which one is Ethan and Godot? This one. Yeah. Ooh, that looks fucking terrible.
Anyway, Thorny, I'm just curious, what are you planning on doing now that you've had big success? You still just making random stuff?
I'm a big fan of making random stuff.
Yeah.
Random stuff is fun to make until I guess it wins a game jam, and then you have to find a programmer.
Yep, that's how I feel.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have to work
Yeah.
with this guy. Kind of
This
terrible.
thing, yeah.
Amos had a video recently how we formed a company together. Oh yeah, I did watch that. I'm like really dumb and I forget things, so I did watch that. I didn't remember a single thing that was said in that video, but I did watch it. But yeah, that's very sick. Imagine working with another person. That must
Gross.
be very difficult. Imagine if like we had to make a company together. That would be kind of awful. When you may
That would
work with
be
2 other
fucking
devs,
terrible.
shipping 2 to 3 games in August. I see. So you, oh yeah, because you're doing like you're not really making the games, but you're like helping other people. So it's like kind of publishing, but minus the funding. Is that kind of if I remember correctly? Definitely sounds like an interesting model. co-production of games. Yeah, it's a good way of putting it. Yeah, we're trying to figure out if we want to do publishing or something, because like we don't really need money, but there's a bunch of stuff that we don't know how to do, like marketing or like
Accessibility,
localization, translations, creator outreach, all that kind of stuff.
GW, can you look at this
What am I looking at?
train?
uh
Something about it.
yeah, it's a little it's a little off.
Yeah, it's probably something with the scale. To be honest, I might be scaling it down a little bit too much. Or
Yeah, only if you can get someone who doesn't rip your face off rev share and gives very good value. Yeah, that's the hard part. But I think if we don't find anybody, we should be like fine, but it's just lots of things that I have no clue what we're doing.
the train is so nice. Yeah, I didn't make it. I'm
Yeah, I drew
just
the
working
train.
off of his
He's
train
just
stuff. And I'm
animating
hoping
it.
that yeah.
When is the game
it's
releasing?
fine.
Plan to release hopefully by the end of the year. We're planning to do the June Next Fest. So we're gonna demo that we're trying to have out in like a couple weeks for a deck builder fest. Which hopefully will hit. It might be a little close. And then we're gonna try to have it in the next fest. So we have the demo now, so that way, or in a couple weeks, so that way we get it out, see what people like, see what people don't like. That way we can tweak it up for the June Next Fest, and then release sometime after that, maybe closer to the fall. That's something that really just depends on like if we get funding, if we get publishing help, because like if we do, then that kind of gives us incentive to just cook it up more and make sure it's like perfect. But if we don't, we might just try to like get it out as fast as we can and still have something nice, because we have been working on it for like 2 years. Or I've been working on it for 2 years.
It's been a hot minute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the fucking aim assist is hitting the bouncy ball that you've got there.
That's so funny.
Wait, why is it bouncing off the? Oh, because it's not it doesn't have piers. I see here. Yeah, it goes through the thing. That's fun. God, this laser does feel really good to use. Oh, it's bouncing off the world thing back there. That's what's happening. That's why it's sometimes stopping in the middle of the air, is because it's hitting the
Yeah.
fucking wall that's back here.
That's really funny.
I see.
Not that you're gonna have a laser pointer in the level, but here, I finished the pile of suitcases. How do you like the pile of suitcases?
Give me a sec. I wanna laser pointer this room because I love laser pointering this room.
All right.
It's just so good.
It is
Yeah,
like
so
the
much
best part
fun.
about the entire game.
That and the op's also really fun because they're both just the same thing, but like a little different. All right, sorry. What were you showing me?
Pile of suitcases.
Whoa, pile.
So you'd walk over to this and then probably have like a little outline on it to like interact with it, and then you kind of like you hop into it, and then you can pick a skin and then hop out.
And then like little suitcase like bits like fly out as you like jump out of it.
Sure. Why not?
Okay.
But also just adds like good decorations for the train station, you know?
Yeah. What else did I want to do? Oh yeah, so the train's good.
Mhm.
Sure. All right. Tool tips for items in shop are broken. Let me fix
Oh, are
that
they still
really
a tiny
quickly.
little font? Yeah.
Yeah, they're tiny.
Okay, what am I working on next? I always do one thing and then I forget what I want to work on next. That's okay.
So what are these called again? They're like shop item, shop relic, shop room test, relic display spawns relic preview, which has a tooltip on it. I see, and this interaction pop-up has this bit on it, and you have a font size override, and you shouldn't. God, it looks so ugly. I guess I can put the game in.
Hmm.
Wait, why can't I not pause the game?
That's a good question.
Oh, I know why I can't pause the game. It's because I started the game from the main menu.
Oh, do we have? We don't have the room and drops yet, right? Besides just the cards.
Nope. We
Okay.
just have cards.
That's fine. That can't be that hard to do, right?
No, probably not.
Yeah.
Also, I just want to let you know that I did get permission in your chat to yap about old school roguelikes, but I have restrained myself from doing
You're so nice. Nope.
Let me put the game in full screen mode really quickly. Full screen.
It's definitely too big, I feel like.
Hmm?
Something size right. Why is this not right there? Or it's not the right font. I don't know. I'll let you
Yeah.
figure it out.
It's
Your
definitely
job.
the right font because it's the default font for the things.
Is that the smallest font we have?
No.
I'm either getting
Maybe.
along. That's the first.
So here's this one
Mm-hmm.
versus this one.
I
Versus this one.
guess.
Oh, sorry, versus that one.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. Oh, that's fun. I wonder if I can change the sub-viewport oversampling to.
Mm-hmm. One thing that you could
Ooh.
also do is maybe just put the price over top of it and then have the tooltip of what it does at the top of the screen. Like when you hover over a regular item.
Yeah, I could do that. I also can set the oversampling to higher so it renders at a high resolution so that it doesn't do the weird shit. So like,
I don't know what that means, but yeah.
that still looks like shit actually.
Oh yeah, and for the level transition, what I was thinking is, I forget which section it is in Elden Ring, but it has the really giant elevator thing that's just like a giant pillar that goes up and down, and I don't know why. That's like I love that so much. So just like
Are
a
you talking
giant
about the one
pillar
that you have
goes
to
up
have
and down.
that you need like the 2 keys to get into and it doesn't tell you about it or where to find them?
No, that
and it
one's kind of like
forces
a
you
big platform. It's like there's one that's like a big round pillar. I think it's the one that takes you to the underground area.
to.
But the one where
Oh,
you need the
oh,
coin,
yeah, yeah.
the coin halves is also pretty sick. I love that one.
It would be cool if FromSoft. Never mind.
Yeah.
I won't
I
go into
want
why
to play
think-
Elden Ring now. I don't know. I feel like I had the best experience because I had seen like a couple other people play it, but not like super closely. So I had like a vague idea of where I needed to go and what I needed to do, but I didn't know like the specifics. So I think that made me enjoy it a lot more.
I could also put this text element like I could put it in the actual UI layer. So even if you're on the hella low resolution, it'll render at full thing.
Yeah, maybe. That might be a good idea.
You're thinking of that elevator in Oblivion with the spike trap from that one clip. Yeah, I
don't know that one clip.
fuck. What does
but-
he say? It's like there's someone dead and he like says something to you and it like zooms in on his face. And then while he's talking to you, nothing's happening. And then it zooms back out and he just dies immediately from a spike trap. Or are you talking about this one? You might be talking about this one. Hold up. Oop. Sorry. Audio was loud. There's this one, JW. If you want to put on audio, you can.
Here, I'll pause my
I'll mute the
music and put
music.
on audio. Hold up. Let's hear it, twin.
I hope I can help. Necromancy may be legal in Cyrodiil, but few will openly admit to practicing it now that the Mages Guild has banned it. Farewell.
What a
It's
good
kind of
game.
fire.
What a good game, man.
Now I want to add something like that where there's just like
Was the Skyrim the one with the
things that just
spikes?
smash into the ground. It's very satisfying. We need to add something where we can like unironically add just like a very obnoxious sliding stone sound. Because I don't know why that's the kind of sound is just so satisfying.
I know. I have an idea for it. I'm gonna turn my
Mhm.
music back on, so good luck. So whenever you open up the inventory, shit, wrong inventory.
Mhm.
Whenever you open up card binder new, I didn't open up the scene. You can punish people who stim. So whenever you're here, you can like flip between them really quickly.
Mhm.
But if you do that, like eventually we could just make it so it like goes really slow and it just like slowly pans across the screen as it turns with just like the sliding the stone noise.
That could be funny. I'm not sure exactly how you do that. What happens
Yeah,
if you
I
do
think
if you turn the page like twice really fast? Does it like? Okay, so it just works. See, that's what it should do if, like, if you go right, it should just do that where it like goes to the left really fast. I mean, couldn't you just say like?
I don't know, man. You can
what-
see how it's
if-
glitching out even with me just like turning the pages left and right sometimes.
Yeah.
So like I'll figure it out. Don't
You'll
worry about
figure
it.
it
I'm
out.
not doing it today. Don't even speak about it today. It doesn't exist.
I mean,
as
you
of right
could
now.
just like.
No, as of right now,
have
it doesn't
it-
exist, and I don't need to
You
hear
could just
it.
have it like
doesn't
if
exist right
you
now.
turn
It
right at
literally
the
doesn't
last
exist.
one, it just turns left.
La, 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 la. Blah, 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 blah. I don't listen to twinks. Blah, 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 blah.
Might be the worst to ever
Yeah.
do it.
You don't understand. If you want me to be productive, we're not talking about the UI today. Aside from the UI that I'm fixing right now, which
All right, well, I'm gonna go eat dinner. Bye,
do you
bye,
think-
twin.
what? Is that the end of stream?
Nah.
Ah, okay. So question about this,
Mhm.
the text. Do you think it should? What do you think would be your ideal design for the text that shows up for the relic in the shop?
Cost over top of it, and then description when you hover over it, when you stand on top of it,
So
like at the top of the screen. So like the regular tooltip when you are hovering over a regular item, like that's just sitting on the ground. When it's at the top of the screen, just use that.
Okay, so the same exact thing is like this.
Yep, like that.
Okay, plus value.
Plus value. And then the cost above the card, and or not above the item, and also maybe just have it just float above the item, not like be a thing that pops up. It's just above the item, so that way you can see the price of everything all at once. And then have it be like maybe faded out a little bit if you can't afford it. Or maybe have it be like gold if you can buy it, like
Red.
silver if you can't. No, red would look bad. Hey, who's the artist?
I don't know, man. I don't know anymore. I feel like you're not an artist. You're a prompt engineer.
What? It's
Yeah,
not true.
nowadays, with
This
how
is
much
not
you
true.
He's always like prompt engineering it. It's
This is
kind
not
of creepy.
true.
He's literally always talking about how he got fucking the
This
query
is
more
not true.
optimized, so it
This is not true.
spawns like it creates art for him faster.
I hate this place.
Or whenever Jimmy got someone actually like convinced that we used AI and they left my server immediately.
That was kind of evil. That was like really evil.
It was kind of really fucking funny though.
You could be a blue sky death. Anyways,
Dude, I love Blue Sky. Blue Sky's so cool.
I may end stream soon though, because I am getting kind of hungry. But yeah.
What? Okay. Why is this so tall? Why are you tall, brother? Don't do that. Why are you doing that? Don't do that. Wait, smart label. Be smart, please. I know I coded this, but like, come on. Come on. Come on. What the hell? Is it because this is on? It might be. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So price goes here, you think?
Hmm?
Never mind. You weren't looking. It's fine.
No, I wasn't. Why would I do that?
Isn't it kind of fucked up that label doesn't... Like, rich text labels and labels aren't from the same base class of, like, a label class?
A little bit.
God, it's actually been so fucking long since I've written code for this game. It feels weird writing code now.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. It's about coffee time. It's 5:30 p.m.
Yeah, it's coffee time.
That ain't coffee time, brother.
Lazy, how much coffee do you drink? I feel like you drink a ridiculous amount of coffee.
Oh, BB code's disabled on these. Lol.
Lol.
There we go. Oh, shit. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Literally, do not worry about it.
I'm worrying about it. I'm worrying about it. I'm worrying about it.
You should. They're gonna look fucked up again because it doesn't save the scene. But price over them.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Ooh.
Hello.
Ooh.
Ew. Ew.
I hate this motherfucker.
What did I do?
Wait, how does this do the banner thing again? I don't even fucking remember how that works. Banner? Dude, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind if I look over there if I keep seeing this shit flicker. I like actually need this fixed before next stream because I'm gonna lose my mind if it doesn't get fixed. Does this have a boolean attached to it? It does.
Three a day about. That's not terrible. Could be worse.
I don't know what this is gonna do. I don't know if this is gonna crash. It might. We'll find out. The developer menu is awesome. Debug, spawn, and teleport to different maps. Yeah, I am so fucking happy about the developer menu. It makes development so much faster, especially on laptop where like it's more annoying to move the mouse around. Hey, look at that. Like this, JW?
Yeah, like that. Exactly.
Yay. Also, yeah, you can do $name of node to get the node instead of doing an export. I don't like doing that though, because if you use $node, and if I were to move this to like a child of this, or like if I were to rename this to be like price label, then that wouldn't update, but the export does automatically update it. How's development on the backpack setup? Well, we don't use the backpack setup to develop. We did the development at the hotel room. We pushed the changes to Steam. I downloaded the update on my Steam Deck, and then we put the Steam Deck in the backpack. You made a dev menu after consistently seeing our testing speed. It's a godsend. No, it genuinely is. I'll give you a little tip for one of the things that we do is the debug menu. First off, you don't need the scene setup to be beautiful because it's a debug menu. However, one of the things that I did for the spawn menu. So this spawn menu is the one where I can type in any scene name in the game, and I can see like all of them. So like, if I want to spawn in a chest, I can do that. And there's a chest. I can also do that, and that's gonna crash because some other shit. But if you want to do something like that, which I would recommend doing at some point, I have this function which gets all of the scenes. So I have a utility function to recursively go through a directory and return files of a specific extension, which looks like this. I don't even know if there's some issues with this, but it does all of this stuff. If you ever want to copy it,
Also,
but that just returns out all of the scenes, and then
sorry.
here, we're just returning all of the scenes from the entire project, and then this menu just like populates it with like a search thing.
Sorry, I was just
What you
thinking
doing?
for the items, they should also have the rarity glow and stuff that like the regular item drops have. So like visually they should look about the same as the item drops, but it's not the end of the world for right now.
Yeah. Exports might be faster too, not that it matters much. Exports are faster. They are also assigned, they're usually assigned at an earlier stage than $ whatever. Especially if you're doing, like if you're in the middle of your code, and I wanted to do something like setting the label here, and I did like $, I don't know, price label. This would be slower because it's effectively doing get node price label, whereas using an export variable usually has an easier easier way to find it because it references it via the relative path, and it might actually be packed into it, but it's also available before the ready function is completed, whereas the $, like it has to be in the tree, or it has to be like set up fully. I'm sorry, the water you're buying is not a reference to Resident Evil 4. I didn't play Resident Evil 4. I tried it at a cousin's house, and I despised the aiming system, which is like kind of the point. Like you have to stand still and like turn for Sentinel. Oh, wait, what? This doesn't have BB code enabled? Relic drop.
I love how the text on there is still so tiny.
Yeah. Oh, this doesn't have BB code enabled. Oops.
It should. Did you like accidentally kill it for some reason?
No, it just doesn't.
Yeah, interesting. Well, it definitely did before. You definitely turned, because it 100% did. Because on like the purple, those things, they 100% had it. Because I remember testing that. Well, I know on my end. Let me check on my end. Let me see if I have it. Maybe I accidentally turned it off somehow. That's possible. Be funny. Also, yeah, I need to eat, so.
BB code enabled was not.
I don't know. I guess I must have broke it somehow. I don't know.
I think
when
it's
it changed, but
I think the. Oh, you know what? You
Mhm.
probably haven't seen the item drop because if you just pick it up, it's the tooltip has BB code
Oh,
enabled.
yes, that's what I was looking at. I see. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Got all these items, guys.
Yeah, I was like, there's no way you didn't notice that and
Yeah.
say anything. But yeah. For that.
Oh, we'll also have to figure out this guy at some point.
Yeah.
Buying his stuff, but that shouldn't be that hard. I mean, we just make like a file that's just like, oh, what is the loot pool, and then have some
Yeah.
items that aren't in the loot pool by default, and then they show up there, and then you can buy them, and then yeah. Okay, I think that might be where I call it though, because I'm hungry.
That's where you're calling it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a hungry little guy.
Let me spawn in something
What?
first, just because I want to.
Ah, okay, bro. I'm ending stream. Get me out of here.
There he goes.
What is this
Dead
game?
forever. He's back. Dead
He's back.
again. Back. Dead again. Oh shit, dude, that went fucking flying.
Okay, anyways, we will be back on Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. EST.
I don't think that's right.
Probably. Anything else you want to
Want
say?
to hear something funny I was thinking about? 'Cause
Oh, dear.
I was about to get hit by a strange mood. So, if I go to the boy kisser scene, for example, I have these like custom variables, so I can make it like
Mhm.
divide more. I was thinking, that it'd be kind of cool if whenever you right click this, it pulled up the variables and you
Nope,
could edit them
nope,
here.
nope. Let's not do that.
You know, it's actually like way easier than you think.
Yeah, it probably is, but I don't. That is not necessary.
But then I could be like, oh, whenever you bind it to debug 1, then you can have a version with a specific set of variables, and when you bind it to debug 2, you can have a set of other variables.
You might be the worst to ever do it.
I mean,
Like
say
I
that?
cannot. I can think of maybe like 2 uses for that.
oh shit, they're all speaking. Can you do this on your side?
No.
It's not even like that loud. Dante's 9 is a very performant game.
Yeah.
Oh shit. It's no longer a very
He's
performant game.
surfing.
He's surfing. Oh dude, look at that physics jitter. Shit goes crazy.
Yeah, we should be using a different physics engine.
Yeah, we should use Rapier so all of our one-way platforms are upside down.
This is true. Wait, you're right. Okay.
Wait,
Anyways,
something's upset. Yeah. We did try using Rapier. It was originally the project was using Rapier, and then I joined, and there were issues with Rapier, like the one-way platforms were upside down.
yeah, it worked. Besides that, it worked fine.
Yeah, I mean, besides that, it was fine. It was okay. Yeah. But yeah.
Anyways,
Yeah, we will be back on Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. EST. But until then, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you guys